Hey guys, Kellen with Family Handyman here. Today we're going to be talking about how to install the Ring Video Doorbell 2. And one thing to note how it's different from its predecessor is that it comes with a rechargeable battery, and it does have to be charged before you install it. This battery can be used as a backup if you decide to hardwire it. We will just be using the rechargeable battery. So let's begin. Alright, so we have our battery charged. It comes with a cable. It was very easy. And our next step is to install the Ring app so we can sync it up with the device before we attach it to the doorway. On iPhones, you'll go to the App Store to download it. On Android phones, you'll go to the Play Store. You'll create an account and then you'll add your location. And then after you do that, you can set up a device and you'll just follow the prompts. So when you hit set up a new device, you want to select the video doorbell, and then the app will ask you for camera access. You'll just hit OK. And the reason it does that is because it wants to scan the QR code that's on the back of the doorbell. And if your phone's not scanning the QR code, you can punch it in manually. So after you've scanned the QR code, it'll ask you where you want to set up the doorbell, and you can just set it for your current address. And the next step will be taking off the faceplate and inserting the removable battery. And then you'll press the button on the top right, and you'll see it start to spin, the lights start to spin. And then you'll hit next on the app, and then it'll ask you if you want to join the Wi-Fi network that the device has created. So after you do that, you can sync up to your Wi-Fi network. You'll just find it and you'll select it, and then now your setup is complete. So we're at the back door. We tested our internet connection and we have good connection. We have live feed right here, and we set up our motion sensitivity, and all we have to do now is drill a few pilot holes and we're almost finished. So now we're going to put the faceplate on. And then we're going to take this screw and we'll screw it in the bottom. And this is a special screw that makes sure that your Ring device stays on the door frame. Nobody can walk up and just remove it. So that's it. Your doorbell is installed. For more smart home tips and tricks, head to familyhandyman.com.